Okay, so as it says right here, you're going to need to copy and paste your sticky note and take it with you from slide to slide. So take it with you is obviously going to be copy and pasting. So for like this one, you would go and it says draw two, or it says draw, but you're going to type two things that you already know about the topic. So you would come into your sticky note and write 1, 2, whatever, whatever. And then once you're done with that, you're going to make sure you click on the whole thing. And I'm going to do this, copy. You're going to come down here where it asks you to do the next thing. So it says write your restated thesis. So you'll just come down here and paste your sticky note, and you'll write your restated thesis in that. And you'll do that for every single thing that asks you to do. Just make sure you have your sticky note. You can go ahead and copy and paste it, at the beginning of the assignment so that you don't have to keep doing it. Just make sure that every time you're answering a question or you're writing whatever it's asking you to do, that you're writing in your sticky notes so that way you can get credit for completing the assignment.